Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing DogDay from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw a large curve up and down. And the same thing on the right side. Now to close off each eye, let's draw an angled curve underneath. Now top and side each eye and let's draw a long oval. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and draw the nose. Let's start with a curve across. Then a V shape underneath. And color the nose in black as well. Now underneath the nose, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a curve over and out from both sides. Then at the ends, let's add a small curve. And then a long U-shaped curve underneath for the shape of the mouth. Now top and side and let's add the tongue. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve up and over. And then one more curve on top of it. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. Now that we're done the face, let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the nose and let's draw a curve out to the eyes on both sides. Now let's hop out on the other side of the eye and let's draw a curve out and back in. And the same on the right. Next, underneath each of these, let's add another curve going down. And now let's add a large U-shaped curve underneath the mouth. Next, let's hop up in the center and let's draw a curve up and then bring it down on both sides. Now let's move in, and from the top right, let's draw a curve in and bring it down to the nose. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Floating on top of the head, let's draw two curves like this. Next, let's add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down and out. And the same thing on the other side. Next, let's move on top of this curve and let's draw another larger one in the same way. Then from the bottom, let's curve it out and then curve it back up into the head. And the same on the right. Next, inside the ears at the bottom, let's draw another curve. And then add some diagonal stripes inside the bottom sections. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start on the bottom left of the head and let's draw an angled line down and out. And the same on the right. Next, let's hop underneath and let's do the same thing. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. From the top line, let's curve it up and back down for the first finger. And the same thing on the right. Then underneath, let's add a small curve going down. Now at the bottom of the finger, let's draw another curve And then one more finger going down and bring it back up to the arm. Now at the ends, let's add 2 more fingers. Let's start with one going out. And then one more underneath. Lastly, inside the arms at the wrist, let's add a curve. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and finish drawing the shape of the body. Let's start underneath the arms and let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then from the bottom, let's bring it out and down. Then in the middle here, let's draw a curve across. And then another 2 angled lines underneath for the inside of the legs. Now close off the bottom of each leg with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the details on the belly. In the middle, at the top here, let's draw a circle. Now all the way around, let's draw pointed V shapes for the shape of the sun. Next on top, let's draw 2 lines down from the head, and then continue it all the way down underneath. And then let's draw some horizontal stripes inside for the zipper. Now behind all this, let's add the patch on the belly. Let's start near the top and let's draw a curve out on the left, and the same on the right. Then let's bring it out again and curve it in. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move back down and add the feet. Let's start under the inside of the legs and let's draw a line down on both sides. Now from the outside, let's curve it out and down. And then a curve across the bottom of each foot. And lastly, inside, let's draw 2 curves for the toes. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the right side of the body here, let's draw a curve up and over to the arm. Then let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve over and back in. Then another one up on an angle. And then one more curve up to the hand. And then inside the base of the tail, let's add a curve. And then some diagonal stripes inside. And that's it for Dog Day. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!